Welcome to another episode of Trends and Ideas. I'm your host, Matt Morrow. In the industrial sector, Cummins is leading the way when it comes to manufacturing cutting-edge engines for trucks and other large vehicles. Joining me to discuss Cummins and why investors may want to investigate the stock is S&P Capital IQ equity analyst Jim Corder. Thanks for being here, Jim.
Well, thanks for having me, Matt.
Okay. Jim, you have a 5-star strong buy ranking on Cummins. Why are you so bullish on the stock?
Well, we think Cummins is in the sweet spot right now. We think that there's pent-up demand for trucks after several years of a weak economy. Trucks have aged, and there's a replacement cycle that goes on, and they're right in the sweet spot of that. We also see growth in volumes for transportation coming from an improving global economy, and I think Cummins should benefit from that as well. And it's also important to note that Cummins doesn't just make truck engines, they also make engines for construction equipment, for marines, for RVs, for all kinds of different transportation vehicles.
How is Cummins maintaining its market share dominance in the diesel and natural gas engine arena?
Well, it's our view that Cummins is the well-acknowledged technology leader in the truck engine space. So what they do is they pour a lot of money into R&D. They spent about $750 million last year, and they should spend about a similar amount this year. They've actually redeveloped their entire truck line, and it's really paid off. I mean, long-haul truckers want to have a Cummins engine in their truck. It's seen as the quality leader, similar to if you have a Dodge, you want to have a Hemi in your truck.
Right.
So it really does pay. They have market share leads in all the truck segments in North America and throughout the world.
That's very interesting. Now, Cummins is finding ways to keep its shareholders very happy, as evidenced by the fact that they once again increased their dividend back in July. Your thoughts on that?
Yeah, we actually love companies that return cash to shareholders through dividends or stock purchases, and Cummins does both. They've increased their dividend for 8 consecutive years, and they've actually had a very successful stock repurchase program that's actually cut the share count by about 6% over the past 6 years. And we do like those types of moves by companies.
Great. We appreciate you sharing your views with us, Jim.
Anytime. Thanks for having me.
All right. And we encourage all our subscribers to read more of Jim's views on MarketScope.com in a related Trends and Ideas article called High-Tech Engines Benefiting the Trucking Industry. Until next time, thanks for watching or listening. I'm Matt Morrow for S&P Capital IQ.